A well-known bottle manufacturing company has encountered an issue in their bottle labeling process. After the bottles are being manufactured, they are transferred along a conveyor belt to the labeling rollers. All the bottles should be facing a specific direction in order to print the labels in the correct side. The issue the company faces is that the bottles traveling along the belt are facing random directions, which makes the bottles ineligible for labeling, but the bottles still go through the printing process. The company incurs a huge loss annually due to this issue. For example, the side of the bottle that should receive the front label sometimes receives the back label due to the wrong side of the bottle facing the printing machine. This error is identified at the packing process of this product. The only method of identifying the back side of the bottle is by identifying the notch located at the bottle neck. This is located on the side referred to be the back side of the bottle. This solution mainly comprises of implementing the use of an ultrasonic distance sensor and a solenoid. The solution starts from where the bottles are loaded to the conveyor belt. Bottles enter the conveyor belt in different orientations with respect to the label rollers, which are situated in the either sides of the conveyor belt during the labeling process. All the bottles should be adjusted so that they travel to the labeling rollers along the conveyor belt. To do this, two arcs made of aluminium are placed beside each other with a fixed distance between them. One arc will have to be kept slightly ahead of the other. This is to prevent jamming of bottles at the place where they come in contact with this arc. The bottles now travel with either the front or the back side of the bottles facing the rollers. After the solution is successfully completed, the bottles oriented to the correct side are allowed to move on, whereas the bottles that are oriented to the wrong direction are detected by this ultrasound distance sensor, and the solenoid pushes the bottle out of the conveyor belt, making sure that all the bottles are labeled on the correct side. This eventually reduces the company's loss with no label wastage.